Happy Tuesday, traders. It is Matt and JC with Empire Algorithmic Trading here to bring you your daily dose of VWAP Vision Stock Talk.
Where the volume weighted average price helps us make sense of the markets, Matt. So let's jump right to it. It's time for a little stock talk.
Let's go. All right, Jace, let's not waste time today. Let's jump into it on this beautiful Tuesday. How are the markets?
Yeah, it was a good day, man. It was backed in the green, baby. So the S&P 500 up 0.4%, Nasdaq Composite up 0.3%. Small caps rallied up just a little bit, still below their VWAP, which is a little bit of a disappointment. That's okay. And then same thing with the mid caps. Nice rally off the support at the VWAP from the previous high that we still left that anchor on. So nice to see some buyers come in there. But across the board, we're back in the green, which is always good.
Absolutely. I love to see that. How about our VIX? VIX move around? How about bonds?
Oh yeah, I forgot about bonds. Shoot, bonds are flat, and then the VIX actually went up a little bit, which is kind of a surprise,
Interesting.
considering that the equities rallied. So not a lot of faith going on, but that's quite all right. Fear is good. The market climbs a wall of worry.
Exactly right. And climbs it right into a green zone, apparently, right?
That's right. Yep.
I love to see it. Well, hey, that is it for the general markets today. We are going to talk a little bit about some of the big movers that we saw on the day. And just a reminder, all of these big movers have hit our algorithmic buy and sell signals at some point in the past. If you want access to those algorithmic daily buy and sell signals, check out our Patreon, patreon.com// Empire Algorithmic Trading. So, Jace, who moved? Where'd they go?
Yeah, we had a couple of good ones. Vertiv Holdings recovered after shaking out after its attempt to break out. Nice rally up 5.2%. BrightSpring, what shook me out on this is anybody who's been watching this long enough knows I don't really hold on to round trips. So it shook me out on this round trip. Found support at the 10-day moving average and then just blasted out today. It was up a solid 5% as well. And then Monolithic Power is holding from its previous buy
Wow.
point down here, as well as this signal. It did shake out a little bit, but held support at the 20-day moving average. It had a nice 3.8% rally today. And then on the downside, it's just, again, the weaker are maintaining that weakness. AREN, which again had that 1-day sell signal, it sold off 6.6% today. Pagaya continued its downward slide down another 6.5%. And then Lending Club collapsed another 5.7%. It flashed a sell signal, plus broke the 10 and the 20-day moving averages last week, and then that selling continued. I did trade this one. I got in at 16.57. I sold a partial at 17.4, and then I got stopped out on the break of the 10-day moving average around 16.11. So that
Thank
looks like a
goodness.
good sell so far. Very good sell on that trade. But all in all, we're back in the green. It's time to start looking for some buys. And we love those short-lived red zones. That makes it all the better.
Exactly. And all this cash burning a hole in my pocket. I want to spend it, make some more money. Let's go.
That's right. Let's get to it.
Well, thank you so much for watching on YouTube, listening on Spotify. We appreciate you guys being here. Please hit the like, subscribe. If you want to know more about who we are, check out our website, VWAPvision.com. That's VWAPvision.com. If you want access to the good stuff, the algorithmic daily buy and sell signals, arrow reviews where Jason and I break down some potential breakouts or potential failures, some educational videos about how Jason and I use this algorithmic daily buy and sell signals in our personal trading strategies. Just a cool group of traders. Check out our Patreon, patreon.com// Empire Algorithmic Trading. And lastly, for those of you who love social media, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, X, Threads, wherever you consume your digestibles, we are there. So make sure to find us and follow. And that being said, Jace, I cannot wait for Arrow Review. So happy trading, buddy.
Yeah, happy trading, man. We'll see you soon.